Good morning to all. I have made this video in the continuation of ratio and proportion, especially using the properties of proportion, that is componendo and dividendo. How to apply the componendo and dividendo. In the previous video, part 7, I have explained everything about the properties. In this video, some questions I will do. You see and understand the method. How will you do at your home? This is the book Understanding Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal, Arya publication. So, exercise 7.3, question number 8. 7, 8, 9, these three questions are of same type. So, x is equal to 8ab upon a plus b, find these values. If you see this very carefully, what you understand? This x plus 4a upon x minus 4a comes when you have the x upon 4a. If you apply the componendo and dividendo in this fraction, you will get this part. Okay? And this part you will get when you apply the componendo and dividendo in x upon 4b. Then you will get this part. But how to get these two fractions? For this, you have the equation number 1. This equation. It is given quantity. If you divide the equation 1 by 4a, divide equation 1 by 4a. So what you will get? X upon 4a is equal to, when you divide this by 4a, so 4 2s are 8 और a cancel, 2b upon a plus b. 4a से divide करें. Okay. Can you apply the componendo dividendo in this part to get this one? Yes. Now apply C and D. इसे शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं कंपोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो. सो x प्लस 4a अपॉन x माइनस 4a, 2b प्लस a प्लस b अपॉन 2b माइनस a माइनस b. So it will be x plus 4a upon x minus 4a, 3b plus a upon b minus a. Equation number 2. You can see and you can note down in your copy. After getting the equation number 2, this part in which you have the x plus 4a upon x minus 4a, just to get x plus 4b upon x minus 4b, you divide again this equation number 1 by 4b. अभी क्या किया था? 4a से डिवाइड किया था. Now you will divide by 4b. So I am going to rub this part. You note down, you can note down. And when you divide by 4b, now divide by 4b. So what you will have? X upon 4b. अब 4b से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो a रहेगा, b कैंसिल होगा, 4 2s are 8, मतलब 2a अपॉन a प्लस b. देन अप्लाई अगेन कंपोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. सो x प्लस 4b अपॉन इज इक्वल टू 2a plus b upon 2a minus a minus b. So it will be x plus 4b upon 3a plus b upon a minus b. Equation number 3. Simple. And after getting equation 2 and 3, this is the x plus, means this you have the, and this is also you got. Both the expression, means in equation 2 and 3, if you add left side of both equation and right side of both equation, in the left hand side you will get this much. Now you write adding equation 2 and 3. So you will get x plus 4a upon x minus 4a plus x plus 4b upon x minus 4b is equal to, एंड राइट लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट में ऐड किया एंड देन राइट इन राइट, मतलब दोनों के राइट साइड ऐड करो, तो 3b प्लस a अपॉन b माइनस a प्लस 3a प्लस b अपॉन a माइनस b. दिस पार्ट. Now you have, because this is the question now, you have to find the value of this part. It means which part you have to simplify. Only the right side. क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो क्वेश्चनिंग है हमारा. You have to solve the right hand side. But how to solve? Whether means L, because b minus a minus b. So LCM, you have to take LCM. There are two ways to take LCM. Just take the LCM b minus a into a minus b. मतलब यहाँ a minus b से मल्टीप्लाई करें, यहाँ b minus a से. Generally the student does like this. But in my views, if you see and think about the LCM, it is b minus a, it is a minus b. What is the difference in both the denominator? Difference is only of minus sign, only of minus sign. मतलब यहाँ भी इस a के साथ माइनस है, यहाँ पे b के साथ माइनस, मतलब जस्ट अपोजिट साइन आ गया. If you take common minus sign from here, तो it will be minus a, it will be plus b. यानी the same thing you will get. और माइनस जो कॉमन होगा वो यहाँ आ जाएगा प्लस के साथ में. तो you write here 3b plus a minus 3a plus b. अब माइनस कॉमन ले लिया and the LCM is b minus a. Then 3b plus a minus 3a minus b upon b minus a. 2b minus 2a upon b minus a. 2 is common, b minus a upon b minus a. Cancel and the answer is 2. You can see. So this is the way to solve in easiest you can see. If you will take the LCM a minus b into b minus a, that will be lengthy. So try to reduce the solution, but the method should be correct. Note down. Now thereafter the questions in which you have to find the x. Question number 10, question number 11, question number 12, question number 13. Till 13 you have to solve for x in every part using componendo and dividendo. या using properties of proportion. So like question number 10, if we see any part, for example, there is the fourth part of the question, find x using properties. Under root 5x plus under root 2x minus 6 whole upon is equal to 4. This, yeah, and you have to solve. How to solve? Just I told that in the left hand side you have the numerator and denominator both, but in right hand side only numerator, so take 1 as denominator. Now applying componendo and dividendo, because without applying, if you do the cross multiplication squaring, that will be complicated. So under root 5x but when you writing the denominator, this part will be the same. मतलब ये जो लिख रहे हैं, and this is the plus and denominator. When you write in the denominator, then the sign of this, that is plus and that is minus, so change the sign of the denominator, this part, when you while you writing in the denominator, minus root 5x and plus root 2x minus 6. 4 plus 1, 4 minus, and both the sides you have to apply. Now can you see the terms cancelled in the numerator? Plus under root 2x minus 6 minus under root 2x minus. Here under root 5x and minus under root 5x. So what you learn? This and this 2 times. This and this again 2 times. अब अंदर नहीं उसको 2 to the 4 और 12 करना है या 10 करना है, बिकॉज इट इज द अंडर रूट ओनली यू कैन ऐड द रैशनल नंबर, बाहर जो होते हैं, इज इक्वल टू 5/3. 2 and 2 कैंसिल. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू? टेकिंग स्क्वायर बोथ द साइड्स. अच्छा, कभी कभी बच्चे students like the if squaring, तो only the taking the square in the right side or left side, that is absolutely wrong. You have to take the square both the sides. So taking square both sides, what you will have? You can note down 5x upon 2x minus 6 is equal to 25/9. 25 upon 9. Now do the cross multiplication. So what do you have? 25 in bracket 2x minus 6 is equal to 45x. Then 25 to the 50x minus 150. This 45 take this side, so 50x minus 45x is equal to 150, or 5x is equal to 150, so x is equal to 5 3s are 30. This is the value of x. So by this way you can find the value. You can note down Now, one more question of the same type, like question number 11. First part, 3x plus under root 9x square minus 5 upon 3x minus under root 9x square minus 5 is equal to 5. You have to find the value of x. Write 1 as denominator and apply the componendo dividendo. In this, you can write the solution here, question after question, and then apply componendo dividendo. So it will be plus denominator, that is 3x minus 9x square minus 5 whole upon 3x plus 9x square minus 5, and this plus and minus will change as minus 3x and plus under root 9x square minus 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1. Simple as usual. Now this 9x square minus 5 cancelled, and this 3x and 3x. This is the 3x plus 3x, 6x whole upon, these are the 2 times 9x square minus 5 is equal to 6 by 4. You can reduce 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 3s are. Actually sometimes the student does not reduce, so that will be lengthy. Big digits you will get. So in this 3x upon under root 9x square minus 5 is equal to 3 by 2. This 3 also can be cancelled. 3 ones are 3. So what you will get, x upon under root 9x square minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now what you will do, take the cross multiplication, do the cross multiplication. So it will be 9x square minus 5 is equal to 2x. Do the cross multiplication on this. Then taking square both the sides, square both sides. So when you take the square, what you will get, 9x square minus 5 is equal to 4x square. This 4x square take right in this side is equal to 5. So 5x square is equal to 5 or x square is equal to 1. But after getting the 1, you will see that x is equal to, it is plus minus 1 when you take the under root, so it will be plus minus 1. Ratio you are getting, if you put the plus 1, then also you will get the answer. And when you put the minus 1, whether you will get the 5 or minus 5. Minus 5. That is why only plus 1 is the answer. क्योंकि -1 अगर हम क्वेश्चन में रखेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तो यू विल गेट द -5 एंड द रेशियो इज कमिंग 5. दैट इज वाई यू पुट ओनली -3 और 4 plus 2. 1 minute. -1 and it will not satisfy, the -1 not satisfied, therefore you will not put the -1, only the +1 is the answer. So by this way we end up this video, and I tell you the next some more questions in the next video. But keep watching. Stay home. Be safe. All the best for you.